Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? Look, oh my goodness, I have to let you see this. Look at my precious baby. Oh, ain't she cute? Okay. We're going to come over here. I am going to do an unboxing. This is the Sassy by Savannah. And Savannah Chrisley threw my phone in the box to bring it upstairs. So let me just sit that on my little stand over there. And let's just go right to what I got. So I got her Darling Lip Kit. This has satin lightweight lip color, shimmer lip gloss, and a long wear lip liner. And of course it comes in this nice little package. And what I like about her package is it's a little, it's like it's a little, it must also be, oh it is, hello, I need to undo it. It's sealed, Beth. Of course it's sealed, it should be sealed. One of those little tape things. Let me do that on both sides. Okay, it's just one. And it's like it's a little drawer. Isn't that cute, the way it comes out? I think that's cute. I think she gave attention to detail. This is her first line, Sassy, by Savannah Chrisley, and it's in this pretty little peachy melon color tissue paper. And so you could always use that for like when you're traveling. You could put, you know, some makeup items or jewelry items in here and shut it, and that's a nice little container that you don't have to go buy. I have so many pouches that I don't need it, but I'm probably going to hold on to that, you know me. Alright, so, nicely wrapped, nicely wrapped, nicely wrapped. Okay, y'all, you've overwrapped. I'm kidding. Alright, so here is the one that I got, long wear lip liner. Okay, and then hold on, because I'm unwrapping it, it was rolled, so I didn't unroll it. And so it's nicely, tightly, boy, they really rolled it, whoever did this. Oh, good. What I really wanted to be sure of was that this had no orange tone whatsoever to it, because everything is orange toned. Everything. This is not. That is very mauve-y. And it's called Darling. That is the color. And there is the matching liner. That's the lip gloss. And then the lip color came with it. Let's see it. Oh, very mauve-y. There's no orange to it whatsoever. And y'all are like, Beth, what? Well, because I'm just going to put it on. Oh, it feels so good. It's very creamy, moist. Love it. Love it. So many times something will say that it is, you know, this tone or that tone, and when you get it, it's orangey. It's like everything was orangey. I don't know if Kim Kardashian's the one that got all that started. Let's see the lip liner. Is it orangey? No, I already got lip liner on. No, it's not. It's nice. And you know, you can always fill in a little bit. And when you fill in like that, it because there's more wax in the pencil, it keeps it from fraying. It also helps your lipstick and your lip gloss to stay on. So then we'll put some of this lip gloss on it. My mouth wasn't perfectly clean. I did have a little lipstick on already, so this isn't the truest of color. Here's the other thing. It smells like pineapple. Oh, no, she meant for it to smell like pineapple or something else. That's what it smells like to me. Nice. I like it. I like it, like it, like it. I didn't like the first one because it was too orangey. Okay, what else did we get? I think I got 2 of those. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, I got 2 of them. Why? Because I'm going to make it part of a giveaway. Alright, and then this, I don't remember what this is. I don't remember. What is this? Ah, my fingers got stuck. Alright. Alright, let's get this. Oh, Be Bold, Be Strong. Bounce Back Queen Eyeshadow Palette. I think this is from where she went through a breakup with that Nick guy. And so she was about, you know, helping girls get through breakups, because she had been through one. And one of the things in one of the Chrisley kits that I got for, you know, that's that quarterly subscription kit that I get with her and her mom, was a free counseling session for 30 minutes. And I was like, oh, bless her heart. she really went through it, and she wants to make sure to help other people. So one of the things that they you know, sought out as one of their vendors to put in that box, that subscription box, was for counseling. Who does that? So that's really cool. So here, it's a pretty little box. It's pink and red. Let's see. Ooh, love it, y'all. I think this is one of my favorites so far of theirs. Okay, I'm going to do this. You won't be able to see it because of the glare. I'm trying not to take this off, though. Oh, I'm going to have to peel it off anyway. Okay, I'm going to do this upside down so you don't see the mirror, but it does have a mirror, which I like having a mirror. Look, those are good colors. That's just good colors. It's your basic matte white, kind of a, that's the transition color, Irreplaceable, is more, it's kind of a cross between a light beige and a mauve. More mauve, actually. And then these are frosted, and then this dark one right here is also matte, so you could do your brow with that. And then this is beautiful blue, purple, kind of a taupey purple. This is kind of like a greenish gold, and then there's kind of a copper. There's always the copper. It's perfect. That's a good palette, y'all. I think it's a good palette. Oh, and it came with a liner. It's got a pencil liner in there, too. I like that. What else? What else, y'all? Oh, this is the Essential Eye and Face Palette by Savannah and Julie Christie. So they did this one together, mother-daughter. Oh, they must be going through it now. I don't know how many of y'all know that Julie was convicted. Her and the dad, Todd, were convicted of a tax evasion. And I can't even imagine how hard that is on the family. People have been real rough on them because they're rich. Like, because you're rich, you have no feelings. And you know what they did, if they were convicted and it's been proven that they were wrong, then they're suffering the consequences. They don't need judgment from us. They've already had their judgment. So I'm just feel for the family, because imagine, you know, the shame they're feeling, and as a family being away from their mother and father, and also that's the living. They are TV personalities, so I feel for them. So here it is. It says Sassy. This is kind of like an imprinted alligator. So nice, pretty zip around. This is great for travel because it's already pre-zipped. Oh, perfect. Y'all, these are perfect colors for travel. It does have a mirror. I don't want to shine that in your face, but it has a mirror. It has a little tiny brush and a little blush or face brush, but I would use my own. But they're there if you didn't have anything. And so it's got really good, again, basic. Now, this is not matte. That looks like it's a shimmer. But there's good transition colors here, here, and here. And then there's good crease colors, you know, to darken it up there and there. And then there's a black. It's always good to have black. And then there's kind of a neutral blush and highlighter. They're a little more to the goldy, that same orangey peach look. But I like it. And I did get two. Yes, I got two, because yes, you got it. I am going to make that part of a giveaway. So, and I will do a tutorial on this. If y'all are interested and want to see a tutorial on this, then comment below. But I did get an extra right here for a giveaway. Alright, and then what else did I get? Two little pouches. I forget what these little pouches are. Aww. These are just little hair things. This is just a little shower cap. Not a shower cap. It's a satin cap. It's a sleeping cap. So that you can put your hair in it, or put it just over the top of your head, and it will keep your head from being frizzed out on your pillow. I even have a mulberry silk Blissy pillow, and my hair still gets mussed. So I'm going to try this little satin cap, and I like that they did this nice little translucent, almost feels like a silicone bag. It's got little stars on it when you go to sleep. And then this is just a little scrunchie, little pink terry cloth scrunchie. And it's just for, honestly, the reason I got this was for when I'm working out in the garden. I get so sweaty, y'all. And I thought I would like a little terry cloth just so it kind of absorbs some of my neck sweat when I pull my hair back in a ponytail. So that's why I got that. And then here are little tags on there. It says Sassy. So that's cute. And this, I'm not going to throw this away. You could use this for so many things. I will throw this in my suitcase. Why? Because I could put anything from bracelets in here. I could put the scrunchie and other hair pins and barrettes and things like that for when I'm going on a trip. You could put jewelry in here. You could literally use these for makeup. If you don't have a makeup pouch, that's a great makeup pouch. You don't have to put this back in there. So I love when things have containers that you can use them more than one way. So anyway, I think that's it. That's my box. It's empty. That's all, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed it. And check out, I'll put a link below, Sassy by Savannah Chrisley. I do like her lines. And she just came out with some fragrances, but I've got so many perfumes right now. I'm not going to invest in any more right now. There's only one more that I'm interested in. I haven't gone and even gotten it because I just did a fragrance haul a few videos ago, and y'all saw I got 4. And that's enough. So I really do like number 1 by Chanel, which is something La Rouge, which I think that means red water. I don't know. Anyway, I love you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Again, out of all of it, I don't even know what my favorite is, but I really do. I like this just because it's so nicely compact and it's the whole face. I love something when it's the whole face. That you've got blush, highlighter, which you could use these colors together and do contour. You've got a light shimmer for under the brow in the inner corner. You have got colors that you can use for transition. These right here. Then you got the darker ones to put in your crease and underneath, and then you've got a really dark matte one that you can use with, you know, a special liner brush to do your brows. And black. Black's always good to put in the outer for nighttime, to put in the outer area and the outer crease and just blend it out real good, and it just kind of gives a amped up dark feeling, and it looks very nice for evening wear. So anyway, I like this a lot, and I like this a lot. I like both of them. And I even like the lip kit this time because it's my colors. So just get my colors right. Anyway, I just thought y'all might want to see this unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!